If you have $50,000 to $100,000 to invest in a business, you're probably being bombarded with franchise opportunities from promises semi-passive income, fast food, cleaning services, vending machines. The franchisee world wants your money. But before you write them a check, I want to show you a comparison that will probably shock you. I spent 6 months analyzing franchisees' opportunity against the ATM business, and the numbers are eye-opening. Today I'm breaking down investment amounts, actual time commitments, and honest ROI expectations for both models, because what franchisee brokers won't tell you could save you from making very expensive mistakes. I look all the time at other business opportunities, sometimes because I would like to diversify from the ATM business, and other times to see what other business strategies and businesses could add value to the ATM business. I look at low entry cost businesses. These are generally $0 to $50,000 or $50,000 to $100,000. This is what a franchisee will tell you. I have looked at fast food, cleaning service businesses, and vending services. I have listened to their sales pitches and reviewed their documents. I've calculated real costs, including their hidden fees. These franchisees often paint the picture of success with glossy brochures showing happy franchisees, owners, projections, and proven systems. A cleaning service business that I analyzed required you to invest $60,000 up front for their system and procedures. Then they get a 6% ongoing royalty and mandatory marketing fees with territory restrictions. This is when I realized being handcuffed or locked into territories, suppliers, or corporate decisions is going to be a challenge. Because of these franchisees, I often analyze the ATM business with the same scrutiny, comparing total investment, ongoing costs, real and time requirements with control factors. This is where I realized that for the same investment as one franchisee, a person could build an entire ATM portfolio with better returns. This comparative analysis revealed 4 critical differences between franchisee investments and the ATM business that completely change how I think about passive income opportunities. Principle number 1, true passive income means minimum ongoing time requirements, not just being your own boss. Principle number 2, total cost of ownership includes both upfront and ongoing fees that can destroy long-term profitability. Principle number 3, control and flexibility create more wealth than brand recognition and corporate systems. And principle number 4, scalability should increase income without proportionally increasing time investment. Alright, before we get to the rest of the video, I want to ask you guys a question of the day. How it works is I ask you guys a question and you type in your answers in the comments section below. Alright, here's the question. Can you think of another business where scalability doesn't proportionally increase investment? I'm excited to read your answers in the comments section below. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright, now let's break down the principles. For principle number 1, most franchisees require 30 to 50 hours weekly for hiring, inventory, customer service, and corporate compliance versus the ATM business, requiring 10 to 14 hours per month for basic cash flow management and maintenance. Principle number 2, most franchisees that I looked at require $50,000 for an initial investment plus 6 to 8% ongoing royalties, plus another 2 to 4% marketing fees, and sometimes even equipment leases. Versus the ATM business, the cost to purchase an ATM is $3,000, and you keep 100% of revenue minus any commissions that you want to pay to location. Principle number 3, franchisee restrictions, territory limits, approved suppliers, mandatory hours, corporate oversight versus the ATM freedom to choose location, set pricing, and operate on your own schedule. And principle number 4, there are scalability differences. Opening up a second franchise often doubles your time commitment and investment, while adding ATM machines increases your income with minimum additional time. The investment decision framework is choosing between true passive income and buying yourself a more expensive job. I know that franchisee work for some people, those who want corporate structure and support and don't mind active management. But most people seeking passive income are looking for what ATM businesses actually provide, which is lower barriers to entry, better ROI, and a general time and genuine time freedom. The franchisee market makes people feel safer with proven systems while actually eliminate their wealth building potential. On our channel, I help people understand that the real comparison between investment and option so you can make a choice that actually matches your goal. Subscribe for more honest investment analysis and check out our ATM startup cost breakdown video. Don't buy yourself an expensive job when you're looking for passive income. Choose the investment that actually delivers what you want. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Check out our ATM Mastermind group page, and we'll catch you at the next ATM Mastermind video.